In this video, you will learn how to fix Android keyboard not showing. This issue can be very frustrating. It usually happens when you tap on a text box, but nothing appears. You might be trying to send a message or write a note, and suddenly, your keyboard is missing. But don't worry, I have some easy solutions for you. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the notification panel. Next, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner. Once you're in settings, tap on the search icon. Now type in keyboard, and hit search. From the search results that appear, select keyboard list and default. Tap on keyboard list and default again, to open it. Here, you'll see a list of keyboards installed on your device. Make sure that the keyboard you were using is enabled. For example, if Gboard is listed but not enabled, simply toggle on the switch next to it to enable it. After enabling your keyboard, check if this resolves your issue. If not, don't worry, there are more steps ahead. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down until you reach Apps. Tap on it. At the top right corner of this section, there's a search button. Tap on it and type in the name of your keyboard, let's say Gboard. Select Gboard from your search results. You'll be taken to its app info page. Here, tap on Force Stop. Then scroll down a bit, and select Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files that might be causing issues. Once you've cleared cache data, restart your device. If these steps didn't resolve your problem, consider trying another third-party keyboard. Sometimes specific keyboards may have bugs or glitches that could be fixed in future updates. Lastly, ensure that your device software is up to date. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. An outdated system can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. And there you have it. By following these simple troubleshooting steps, you should be able to fix any issues with your Android keyboard not showing up. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.